Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and yummy and delicious miniature cake stand, where I will share how to create different partitions using paper quilling strips, how to create these super cute mini cupcakes using clay and paper strips, and also the yummy topmost cream cheese strawberry cake. Isn't it looking very tempting? And you can decorate your showcase, you can gift it to cake lovers, or you can present it as a birthday gift. It's looking super cute and adorable. I'm just loving the outcome so much. And I'm sure you are going to enjoy the tutorial just like me. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking paper strip which measures approximately 16 by 3 centimeters. This is simple 90 GSM white paper, and taking one piece of stick which is actually the earbud, and I have cut it 3 centimeter long. Now just add glue on the paper strip and start rolling the paper around this stick and create the pipe. So the pipe is ready. Now taking here half strip of white color in 3 mm and just add glue on topmost part of the pipe and wrap the strip around this. It will create the nice base to the stick. Similarly, I am going to attach the other half strip on the other side of stick. And it should look like this, adding glue on both the coils and allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared lots of tight coils already. Then taking one white color cardstock circle which is having 5 cm diameter. This is having 300 GSM thickness. Then exactly in the center I am adding the pipe which we have created, and then around the edge I am going to decorate with small white tight coils. And this is done. Then here I am taking one strip of white color in 3 mm and just creating the beehive technique. So we have to create the coil, remove the tool, again after some gap make a coil, remove the tool, and repeat the process till the end of strip. So you will have nice beehive coil design. This is very good technique if you want to fill some area using quilling design. It works fast and do your work neatly. Then taking back the base which we have created, and I am filling this remaining gap using the beehive design. Now if you have the small space left, you can create small beehives and fill the gaps. And the super cute base stand is completely ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more stand for the middle layer, which is having 4 cm diameter, and the process is same. And for the topmost stand, I have created this, which is having 3 cm diameter. So all 3 parts are ready, which will come on top of each other to create the stand like this. So we will attach it later after attaching the cupcakes and cake on this. And also we will be needing one more big tight coil as the base of the stand, which is made using 2 strips of white color in 10 mm. Then here I am taking 1 strip of brown color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome as the cupcake base. Add glue inside this. Then to make the icing of the cupcake, here I am taking orange color handmade clay, just creating a drop shape like this, and using any paper cutter or blade you can create the icing design. So you have to create the cuts from bottom towards the top, and you will have the beautiful icing design. Just tapping the top using any flat pen, and it should look like this. Then I am decorating the topmost part using this small cherry. And then attaching my icing on top of the cupcake base. And the super cute pumpkin cupcake is completely ready. Now I am using another method to create my cupcakes. Here I am having this beautiful cake or cupcake mold. So first I am making the base using pink color clay. I got this mold from Etsy. Like this. Perfect. And now to make icing, I am taking white color clay and putting it on the icing mold. And it should look like this. Then I am just sticking my icing on top of the cupcake base. And then attaching some pieces of brown color paper as the choco chips. And then adding one cute cherry on top. And this is completely ready. So with the similar method, I have prepared lots of cupcakes using different clay colors, like the lemon cupcake, then some chocolate cupcake. I have just added brown acrylic color as the icing topping and created the different shades, and also created in little smaller size with the same method. Here I have added one piece of chocolate and one piece of strawberry on top. So in this way you can play with the clay and create your own beautiful cupcakes. And my bigger and smaller cupcakes are completely ready. Now it's time to attach this with the base, but before that I want to create my big cake for the topmost layer. And to create the base, here I am taking total 6 strips of white color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Then taking here peach color clay, flattening it on the surface and dividing in equal rectangular shape to create the cookie biscuits. Then giving the texture on the biscuits using sandpaper. And then curving the corners of each cookie using my fingers. In this way, I'm going to create the remaining cookies, and I'm just doing a little bit of shading using orange soft pastel from all the sides to give it baked look. And this is ready. Similarly, I prepared already lots of cookie biscuits. Now taking back my quilled base, I'm attaching this with the base stand which we have created and then adding these biscuits around the edge. Like this. Then to create the center part of the cake, here I am taking white color clay, dividing in 2 parts, just rolling it on the surface and making a thin pipe, joining both the pipes together and twisting it to create the rope kind of effect. Then taking back the base and filling this swirly icing inside the cake using glue. Like this. Then using the small icing mold, I have created these white color icings. So I am attaching total 8 icings on the edge. You can create by paper cutter and clay, just I have shown before. And then I am showing you how to create the strawberry. So taking light yellow color clay, rolling it on my palm and making a drop shape, holding it using any pointed tool and just start creating the holes using pointed tweezer or any needle. Then doing the shading work on the strawberry using red soft pastel. And the strawberry is completely ready. If you want the darker tone, you can apply the red color. So here I have already prepared my strawberries And I am filling the center part using these handmade strawberries. Then to create the gel or the jelly of the strawberry, here I am using Glossy Accent, mixing it with red soft pastel powder, and tada, our gel is ready. Now I am pouring this jelly on top of the strawberries to give it realistic look. And now it's time to arrange all the parts together. So now on the bigger base I am attaching the big size cupcakes. Then on the medium layer I am attaching small size cupcakes. And on the topmost part I am attaching the cake. Then here I am taking the big tight coil which we have created as the base of our stand. And tada! The beautiful cupcake stand is completely ready. Here in the bottom I have added 4 more tight coils for the extra support from 4 corners, so that it will stand easily. Now you can decorate your doll houses, your small cake shop, or you can gift it to any cake lover for the birthday or any other occasion. I'm just loving it so much. This is looking extra yummy, and you can add more layers, or if you want only 2 layers you can reduce it, so it's all up to you. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.